Virginia. You are our lucky winner of the community makeover. Everybody knows Full House for Win a Room Makeover. We've done 11 of those where we changed people's lives, went in and refurbed and redone a whole room or 2 rooms. And we decided for our birthday we want to give back to the community, and so the prize was basically win a community makeover. And we are here today to first of all say thank you, Virginia. You are our lucky winner of the community makeover. So when I phoned you about a week or 2 weeks ago and I said you are the lucky winner, what went through your mind?
I was very excited. I didn't expect it, but all glory and grace to God. And I was so thankful, and the first thing came to me, the preschool Elukanyeni preschool and the old age home in Kubela, the Joseph Matua old age home. So I want to give everything to them.
Oh, ek dink dit is so 'n mooi ding en dit is so nice om te weet dat jy gaan 'n verskil maak in 20 of 30 kinders en nog miskien ou mense se lewens. Nou, hoe voel jy daaroor?
Gelukkig en dankbaar.
Dankbaar, nee.
Dankbaar dat ek so groot gewen het dat ek kan deel.
Ja.
En soveel harte kan bly maak en gelukkig maak, né? Dan moet ek ook sê aan Full House baie dankie. Vir die kompetisies wat julle hou, want eintlik werk julle baie groot in gemeenskappe en ook in huise.
Dankie Virginia. So ek waardeer regtig jou vrygewigheid daarmee. Ons het ietsie probeer special doen vir jou ook om dankie te sê. But now what we are going to do is to go visit those 2 or 3 charities. We're going to then suss and see what we can do and how we can do it. Watch the space. We're going to show you and take you along on this journey of who and wherever in the community we're going to make a massive change. Keep an eye out in November and December when we do our Christmas leaflet. We're going to do a Win a Room Makeover again. Virginia, baie dankie, ons waardeer dit. Dankie dat jy ons ondersteun. Dit is asof van jou wat ons sulke goed kan doen. En ons hoop ons gaan jou saam met hierdie journey vat wat vir jou net regtig baie gaan beteken. Baie dankie weer eens.
Dankie.
Okay.
Dankie.